Right, we're getting to that time of the Christmas month now where we need to start thinking about grounding ourselves again, staying nice and calm, getting ready for the big day. So we're going to do some little bit of rebalancing work. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to pretend that we can point her to different parts of a clock. And I just go sideways, so my clock is this way, 12 o'clock's in front of me and 6 o'clock's behind me. And you're just going to slide your foot out. So I'm going to go to 12 o'clock. I'm going to go to 1 o'clock. I'm going to slide out to 2 o'clock. So just transferring my weight, getting used to that shift of weight. And I'm going to go to 4 o'clock and 5 o'clock. This is always the freaky one when you start going behind you, and 6 o'clock. Good. And then I'm going to reverse. I'm going to go 6 o'clock. So this is getting ready for all of those last minute dashes to the shop where maybe you have to get away from somebody who's in your way or somebody who suddenly opens the door. You want to be able to step back and stay nicely balanced. So let's do the same thing again. You're going to step straight forward. Now I want you to think about where your knee is going as you do that. So let your knee, if you're going to turn out, let your knee go over the center of your ankle. If you're going in parallel, it's the same thing. So it doesn't matter where your foot is pointing, as long as your knee goes over the center of the ankle as you're doing that, okay? So you can practice this, getting ready to dodge and weave down those aisles.